Let's add this cool grungy halftone effect with Photoshop. Before applying the effect, let's adjust the image by first adding the hue or saturation adjustment layer and decrease the saturation fully. Then add brightness or contrast adjustment layer and increase the contrast. And lastly, add curves adjustment layer to fine tune it. After that, select the image and all adjustment layers and convert them into one smart object. Before moving forward, let's make sure the foreground and background color are set to default of black and white. Then go to filter, then filter gallery, and here we will add 4 filters. First is from sketch folder, reticulation filter. Change the density to 0, adjust the foreground level to manage the intensity of dark areas and background level for light areas. We will stack filters here. For that, click on the plus icon here. Second filter is from texture folder, the grain filter. For this image, let's change the intensity and contrast type is regular. Third filter is from sketch folder, the halftone pattern. For this image, let's change the size to 2, contrast to full 50 and type dot. And lastly, the fourth filter is from artistic folder, the film grain. For this image, let's change the grain to 5, highlight to 10 and intensity to 2. If needed, we can modify the values of this filter. Press OK to apply. As the image layer is a smart object, we can open it and modify the adjustment layers as well. And that's how we can create this grungy halftone effect. Here are couple more examples for it. Let me know which one you like the most. If you're watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment what should we create next in Photoshop. Also follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.